do you know it's spring? One sunny morning, Mia opened her window and smiled. "Welcome, spring!" she cheered. The flowers were blooming, and birds chirped and sang happily outside. A colorful kite danced in the sky. That is how Mia knew it was spring. Mia remembered what her teacher said. There are 4 seasons in each year. Each season lasts about 3 months. Spring always came after winter, and Mia was ready for it. In spring, the air got warmer, and the days grew longer. "That means I can play outside even after dinner," she giggled. The snow had melted and little puddles sparkled in the sunshine. Some spring days were bright and sunny. Others were windy. Mia packed her winter coat away and twirled in her light jacket. "Spring is in the air," she shouted. But oh no, gray clouds rolled in. Rain began to fall with a pitter-patter. "Grab your raincoat and umbrella," called Mom. "Spring brings rain and even thunderstorms." The next morning, everything looked fresh and green. Tiny buds had formed on trees, and they opened into lovely flowers and leaves. The grass was green and soft again. Mia saw baby animals everywhere. Fuzzy ducklings splashed in the pond. Bunnies scampered through the woods. "They were just born," Mia whispered. "They'll grow big and strong." Up above, birds flew back from faraway warm places. They built nests in trees. Some sat on eggs, while others brought food for tiny chicks that had already hatched. In her backyard, Mia planted seeds with her dad. "These will grow into bright flowers and yummy vegetables," he said. Mia couldn't wait to watch them grow. After gardening, Mia and her friends rode bikes, played soccer, and ran around the park. The sun shone down and laughter filled the air. "What's your favorite thing to do in spring?" Mia asked her friends. "I love planting. I love puddle jumping. I love flying kites." Mia smiled. "I love all of it." Spring had arrived, and it was magical.